Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. In today's video, I am going to talk about Latafa Etheory. Now, so many of you are waiting for this review. Specifically for Etheory and Petra, I have a lot of requests. So I will be doing the review for Petra next. I was just testing and trying these fragrances. And you know what? I just don't want to come up with a review without thoroughly testing and trying these fragrances because then that review doesn't sound genuine. And to be honest, Latafa and all of these Middle Eastern houses, they are releasing fragrances every second or every millisecond, I should say. Like you breathe and one Latafa fragrance is out. You exhale, Paris Corner has one perfume. So you know what, like these brands are not stopping. Like one after the other, they have these releases coming up. And there is so much hype on every fragrance. You know, we don't have to buy all of the fragrances, right? Like we really need to kind of be mindful on where we are investing, because these days I have like spent so much, like thousands and thousands on perfumes, and after some point of time I felt that am I using those, you know, that question is lingering in my head. So these days I am a little mindful on what I want to purchase. Only if I get more than at least 15 messages reviewing a particular perfume, that's when I'm going and, you know, purchasing it. So anyways, let's get started with Etheory. Before I begin with the video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Latafa kills it with their presentation. We all know it by now, and this is no exception. This box is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of resembles a honeycomb, and where the queen bee is kind of ruling the honeycomb here. So there's this honeybee that is sitting here, which is kind of like a metallic embossed, and they have kind of shown that honeycomb pattern behind and all of this. So the packaging is very precious and kind of looks very luxe. Also has this pattern going on at the side. Behind you have all the details and quality assurance sticker, and then it kind of opens up like this, like a cupboard, and there your perfume is sitting inside. So as I pull this perfume out, it is tightly stuck here, and overall the packaging gets like 100 out of 10 because this is very giftable and very beautiful. Now this is how the bottle looks like. Again, you can see that honeycomb pattern here. Glass bottle, honeycomb pattern in metallic. This is also metallic, and the yellow nuances that you see from these holes here, it's because of the plastic that's inside. So that's kind of little cheap to look at. Latafa logo right here, and from all the sides you can see how the perfume is. This queen bee is still sitting here and kind of marking her territory. Look at the dent here. I have been really testing and trying this, and I have been overspraying this. So you can see a massive dent here, and I think I'll be able to finish this within 2 months. So let's give it a good spray and I'll talk about what the scent profile is all about. The sprayer is nice, diffuses the product really well. Now, as you see the bottle, as you see the packaging, the first instance is this could be something similar to Scandal, because Jean Paul Gaultier's Scandal is all about white florals and honey. And that was my impression when I saw it for the first time on the Latafa's Instagram page. I was like, okay, they are coming up with Scandal, like a variant of Scandal or something like that. But to my surprise, it isn't. This is not a thick, syrupy, heavy kind of a fragrance. This is kind of like a very light, floral, woody, sweet kind of a fragrance. It literally feels like a sweetened flower in my opinion, and I do want to explain it further, but I'll first talk about the notes breakdown. This opens up with passion flower and some dewdrops. Now it doesn't even have honey listed in its note structure, which is very odd, because the moment you see all of this, you expect the honey to be present here, but it's not. They have something called as dewdrops, which is mixing up with passion flower. Then the mid notes of orchid and jasmine, and goes into oud and vanilla. The oud here is not your barnyardy Middle Eastern oud. It is just giving some woodiness in the fragrance. So overall kind of becomes like a very warm, sweet, floral, woody fragrance in my opinion. That's the scent profile that we are looking at here. Now, if I try to explain this further, how this perfume feels like or how this perfume kind of represents, my color perception for this perfume is exactly the dress that I'm wearing. It's kind of like a light lemonish yellow color. It reminds me of yellow color, and with florals on it. Like that's exactly, I am actually kind of matching the energy of this perfume with my outfit, with the dress that I'm wearing. I think this explains Etheory in itself, but I still want to give it an attempt. Just imagine that you have like a wooden bowl. In that wooden bowl, you've mixed up some water and honey. Okay, water and honey, because the honey is not like a thick syrup honey here, it's like dewdrops, right? So it's kind of like an aquatic honey, which is not very thick and syrupy, it's kind of light and airy. So you mix up some water, mix up some honey, then you kind of dip your orchids and jasmine into that bowl. Okay, that's the vibe of this fragrance. It has a very sweetened, honey candied vibe, mixing up with that wooden bowl, giving it some hints of maturity with the woodiness. This is very delicate, it's very feminine, it's very mild, and it's kind of like the fragrance which is best suited for people who get migraine with stronger fragrances. If you are into lighter, milder fragrances that don't trigger your migraine, I think Atheri is especially for you. Now, if I talk about the scent profile, it's one of the most gorgeous floral fragrances that I have experienced, and this one is kind of duping Gucci Gorgeous Orchid perfume, the yellow bottle basically with the florals, right? So that's what it is duping, and this one is said to be a better dupe than the Gucci fragrance, because Gucci fragrance does not perform very well. Now, when I saw the reviews, first of all, I have not seen any Indian perfumer reviewing this one, like any perfume influencer from India reviewing this one. So correct me if wrong. I have not seen any of those videos, but I have seen some of the videos like US based influencers talking about this. And what they said is, this is like an ethereal floral fragrance which is very long lasting. This was giving them easy 7 to 8 hours and keeps projecting the whole day. Now, this is where my opinion completely differs. In the Indian weather, this perfume is not performing on me. It is very fleeting in nature, just like how a honeybee buzzes away. This is exactly like that. I apply this fragrance, and within 1.5 hours, it is buzzed off from my clothes, buzzed off from my skin, and I have to like go like this, you know, to kind of experience this fragrance again, and obviously I have to refresh it. So the dent that you see here is a result of me overspraying this perfume literally every 1.5 hours. Okay, that's very annoying to me. That performance is not a good performance for me. This is a very mild fragrance in my opinion. So I get a longevity of maximum 2.5 hours with this fragrance. Say at a stretch, I can say 3 hours. Like when I apply around 15 sprays of this, I get like a 3-hour mark of longevity. The projection and the sillage is absolutely mild to moderate on this one. In fact, the scent bubble is also very weak. And this is where I start questioning the quality of this perfume, because this is the MRP of this perfume is a whopping 5,000 rupees. I purchased it from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I used my own coupon code to get some discount, and currently in discount at Scentopia, the price for this is under 3,000. It is almost around 2,900. So under 3,000. With my coupon code, you can get an additional 5% off, and it's a non-affiliated coupon code. I also use that own coupon code to get some discounts whenever I'm placing orders. So for me, a 3,000 rupees perfume giving me 1.5 hours is not an acceptable deal for me. Okay, no matter how pretty the scent profile is, if it's not lasting, it's not good enough for me. Okay, so that is where I start questioning that viral nature of perfumes, that you know, this went crazy viral, you know, crazy viral. And in today's date, if I go and request Platinum Perfumes that, you know, can you kind of like create a dupe for Orchid by Gucci, you know what, their potency of perfume oil is more than 30%, and their pricing is under 1,000. So I am sorted. If I want to get like a similar scent profile, I would actually go and request Platinum Perfume, which is made in India, to kind of like give me the same scent profile which performs well at 1/3 of the price of this. You know, this is 3,000, I can get that under 1,000. So at 1/3 of the price, I am able to get the same scent profile with some dupes that are available in India. So see, this is where this perfume kind of lacks that luster in my opinion, because the performance is important for me. As much as the packaging is important for me, the juice inside is also, in fact, the juice inside is more important to me, right? And that, I think, Atheri is not doing justice to its price point. Okay, she's gorgeous, she's feminine, she's everything that I need in my bottle, but she's not performing. So yeah, my overall rating for this perfume is a 6 out of 10. I am humongously disappointed with the way it is performing. So if you are someone who has like kind of taken a sample from our fragrances or somewhere, and you are testing and trying that sample and you're thinking that sample में quantity कम है तो इसीलिए शायद perform नहीं कर रहा है, no, यू नो व्हाट, लाइक सैम्पल्स के थ्रू भी आप पता कर सकते हो कि परफॉर्म कर रहा है कि नहीं, क्योंकि आप 5 से 6 स्प्रे सैम्पल से लगा सकते हो. तो अगर आपको आपका सैम्पल बोल रहा है ना कि ये परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा, देन एक्चुअली परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा, यू नो. तो मेरे लिए अ थियोरी एक बहुत ही गॉर्जियस सेंट प्रोफाइल है. इज जस्ट नॉट फॉर पीपल हु लाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंसेस, especially if you're looking for that price tag versus justification of that fragrance, then it is failing for me. मुझे इसका सिमिलैरिटी और थोड़ा सा रिजेम्बलेंस डीएनए का खैर फेलिसिटी से भी लगा. पैरिस कॉर्नर का खैर फेलिसिटी भी एक स्वीट फ्लोरल वुडी फ्रेग्रेंस है. नोट्स डिफरेंट है, ओके, नोट्स डिफरेंट है बट फील सेम है. एंड मेरे लिए फेलिसिटी एक बेटर परफॉर्मिंग फ्रेग्रेंस है. ये केयाली का वो वेडिंग सिल्क का ड्यूप है. दिस इज ड्यूपिंग सम अदर परफ्यूम, इट्स नॉट ड्यूपिंग गुची फ्रेग्रेंस. दिस वन इज अ ड्यूप टू गुची फ्रेग्रेंस, बट दोनों का सेंट फैमिली सेम है. ओके, तो इन दोनों में से अगर मैं परफॉर्मेंस, प्राइस पॉइंट, सब कुछ कंसिडर करते हुए चलूँ, फेलिसिटी इज अ बेटर परफ्यूम इन माई ओपिनियन in the sweet floral category. So for everyone who was waiting for Lattafa Athiory's review, this is the most honest and a most straightforward review that I have given. After a lot of testing and trying, this is my opinion. And the fun part is that, you know, the perfume review that I'm creating today is on a macerated bottle. I got this around 2 to 3 weeks back and I have kept it for maceration, and that's when I'm creating this video. And even after maceration, I feel that it has not come up to the mark. I will still give it some benefit of doubt that maybe over the months it will improvise. But from a 2-hour mark, going to a 6-hour mark, I don't see that happening even with maceration. Okay, so that's my overall take on A Theory. Scent profile, gorgeous. Performance, sucks. So overall rating is 6 out of 10. I hope that this review was helpful and you will make your own choice whether you want to give A Theory a shot or not. I will leave it up to you. If you are someone who suffers from migraine, run for it. You know, this is the kind of fragrance which will make you smell very elite, which will make you smell very feminine, very classy, and without giving you that headache. Okay, so you can opt for this fragrance. But for perfume lovers who are into stronger fragrances, you may want to skip this. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked this review. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.